Hello children, good morning. Hope you are doing well. As you know that we were discussing in the previous class about longitudes. Let us recall it again or whole the chapter, what we recalled, what we studied or what we discussed in the previous classes about this chapter. First we start with the globe, the shape of earth, then we took the globe. Later on the globe we see many lines. What are these lines? So in that we have seen that lines are parallels and horizontal, and there are vertical lines. So we discussed that parallel lines are latitudes and they are parallel, so they are called parallel also. In that many famous lines, some famous or important parallels are there. Tropic of equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Antarctic, Tropic of Antarctic. So poles. And after that we come on. After that we come on longitudes. And as you know that longitudes are those lines which are vertically, or we can say from north to south, and they make also circle around the earth. In that we discussed that there are Greenwich Mean Time, GMT, 0 degree longitude, and they are also meridians. They are called also meridians. Why these meridians? Why these are called meridians? We will discuss. But these are also meridians. So if anybody or question is asked about which line is called meridians, then or something like that, the 0 degree meridians. Now if you studied about latitude and longitude and you don't know about meridian, then there will be a problem. So latitude and parallels both are same. Latitude also called parallels and parallel also called latitudes. Like that, the longitude also called meridians. Meridians are the longitudes. Longitude are meridians and meridians are the longitude. Both are same. So we will discuss about characters which longitudes have. In that, first we discussed about that these lines are run from north to south. These lines runs from north to south. On the globe, as we see on the globe, these lines runs from north to south. From north to south, like this. Latitudes were like that and longitudes are like that, north to south. Okay? And they determine the east-west. They run from north to south, but they determine east-west coordinates. Like this. From 0 degree east, west. Okay? And we discussed that on the equator. Equator is a parallel or latitude 0 degree. So on the equator, the distance between two continuous longitudes are 111 kilometer. 111 kilometer. But at the pole, it is 0 kilometer. It is 0 kilometer. जो इक्वेटर में लॉन्गिट्यूड की डिस्टेंस है बीच में, दो कंटिन्यूस जो लॉन्गिट्यूड्स है उनकी डिस्टेंस है बीच में वो 111 किलोमीटर है, बट एट द पोल इट इज 0 किलोमीटर. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑल लॉन्गिट्यूड्स मेट एट द पोल. सारे लॉन्गिट्यूड्स है वो पोल से ही निकलते हैं या रन करते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ there are 360 degree of longitudes. Now how many are longitudes? There are 360 degree. Okay, 0 degree, as you know that from the 0 degree east side 179 degree, west side 179 degree. Okay, east, west. So here it is 179, 179, 358. Now plus 1 0 degree, plus 1 180 degree. How many? 360 degree. So this is the sum of longitudes. Next one is the all the meridians form great circle around the earth. Now all the meridians form a great circle. All the meridians form a great circle around the earth. How they make a great circle? Look at here. Great circle means like this is earth. Okay, we discussed that latitudes are like this parallels. Latitudes are like this parallels. So latitudes are like this. Okay, now अगर हम इसको देखें तो we are seeing only one side. We are seeing only one side. तो अभी जैसे यहाँ पर लाइन है तो इसका मीन्स ये नहीं है कि ये लाइन एक ही साइड में है. ये लाइन पूरी उधर भी है. ओके, नाउ ये लाइन उधर भी है तो ये भी एक ग्रेट सर्किल बनाती है. ये भी क्या बना रही है? एक ग्रेट सर्किल. ग्रेट सर्किल मीन्स विच लाइन कवर होल अर्थ इनटू इट एंड मेक टू पार्ट ऑफ अर्थ. अब अर्थ के पूरा चक्कर लगाए और अर्थ के बराबर टू पार्ट करें. तो जब हम लैटिट्यूड्स की बात करते हैं तो लैटिट्यूड्स में सिर्फ एक इक्वेटर ही है जो ग्रेट सर्किल बनाता है. ओके, ओनली द इक्वेटर हु मेक्स ग्रेट सर्किल अराउंड द अर्थ. बट व्हेन वी डिस्कस अबाउट लॉन्गिट्यूड्स देन every longitudes meridians means longitude. Every longitude form great circle around the earth. Now every longitude from here it will make a circle. So every longitude, okay, और every longitude डिवाइड भी करती है अर्थ को टू पार्ट्स में. क्योंकि अब यहाँ पर एक ही बनाती है क्योंकि जो दूसरा है जैसे वो उसकी तो उसकी जो सर्कमफ्रेंस है वो कम हो जाएगी. क्या हो जाएगी? धीरे धीरे यहाँ पोल पर तो जीरो हो जाएगी. तो पोल वाला तो पूरा बना ही नहीं रहा है लैटिट्यूड्स में, लेकिन लॉन्गिट्यूड्स है वो सारे के सारे बना रहे हैं. ओके, सो दैट्स द दैट ऑल द मेरिडियंस फॉर्म अ ग्रेट सर्किल अराउंड द अर्थ. And this one, all the meridians help to fly plane because every distance that cover up or measured by this one, every circle of meridians, जो प्लेन से जो रूट्स होते हैं इनके प्लेन के उड़ने के, वो रूट्स यहीं पर इनसे ही फॉलो किए जाते हैं क्योंकि जो डिस्टेंस होती है वो कवर अप मेजर की जाती है, वो शॉर्ट हो जाती है. द ग्रेट सर्किल मार्क्ड बाय जीरो. नाउ द ग्रेट सर्किल मार्क्ड बाय 0 डिग्री longitude and 180 degree longitude. Now the great circle, as you know that all the meridians form a great circle around us, but the great circle is marked by 0 degree. अब जो great circle है वो यहाँ पर है 0 डिग्री divides the globe into eastern and western hemisphere. Now नीचे जो है ना वो यहाँ पर आपको बताया था ईस्टर्न एंड वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर. As the equator divides Earth into northern and southern hemisphere, 0 degree and 180 degree, or we can say that the great circle divides our globe into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Lines of longitudes are called meridians because the meaning of that is midday. Now, lines of longitudes are called meridians. And why it is called meridians? Because the meaning of meridians is midday. अब यहाँ पर जो आपको midday है, midday का means क्या है? When the sun is on our head, above our head. When the sun is above our head, just straight to our head, then it is noon, midday. So, on every circle or on every longitude, when the sun is on straight to that, then that is the midday of that. So that's why it is called meridians also. That's why these longitudes are called meridians. तभी वो सारी longitudes है क्योंकि सन कभी ना कभी हमेशा जैसे वो रन करता है, जैसे अर्थ मूव करती है अराउंड द सन, देन सारे जो longitudes है वो सन की स्ट्रेट में आते हैं. That's why these are called meridians. Next one, the longitudes 180 degree is also important as international dateline. So this is important as the international dateline. This is international dateline. Okay, IDL. Why? We will discuss that why it is an international dateline and how it works. When we see on the earth, the part of Pacific Ocean. Here is the America. Okay, here is the America, and here is the Asia, Japan. Okay, here is the Australia, New Zealand, like New Zealand. So here is the like that. This is 180 degree circle और 180 degree longitude. अब यहाँ पर ये जो 180 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड है वो इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन है. इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन. अब पहली बात इसको देखो, ये एकदम स्ट्रेट नहीं है. अब इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन कैसे होगी? डे एंड डेट चेंजेस एट द आइडियल. अब यहाँ पर है ना वो जो डे एंड डेट, अब यहाँ पर मैं जैसे इसको कहेंगे कि ये हो गया ईस्ट, ये हो गया ईस्ट, ये हो गया वेस्ट. ओके, वेस्ट ईस्ट, ये हो गया नॉर्थ, ये हो गया साउथ. डे एंड डेट चेंजेस एट द आइडियल. डे एंड डेट चेंजेस. नाउ हियर ऑन दैट just opposite of 0 degree on the 180 degree longitude, the day and date both changes. How it works? If we cross east to west, then a day will be added. Now if we cross from east to west, from east to west, अब यहाँ पर जैसे यहाँ पर खड़ा हूँ and I cross and come here, then if I am here on what is date today, 17 December, if I cross here, then I will come on 18 December, because यहाँ पर आते ही, इसको क्रॉस करते ही one day will be added, and if I cross from west to east, from west to east, then if I am here 17 December, then it will become 16 December to me if I cross from west to east. अगर मैं इसको west से east में cross करूँगा, then one day will reduce, and if I cross from east to west, then one day will will be added to it. Now as you can see that what is the shape? It zigzags to avoid crossing a country or a major group of islands. Now अब इसको देखो, ये straight नहीं है. As you can see, इसलिए straight क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो अगर straight बनाते तो किसी न किसी कंट्री के बीच में से ये क्रॉस कर जाता. To avoid that crossing to any country or any island, to avoid any country or any island, because if like there is a country Australia is here. If I make like this, then between the Australia, then one part of Australia 16 December and here 17 December. How can it be possible? It a country in a country, और we can say that अब एक ही कंट्री में दो डेट कैसे हो सकती है, दो टाइम कैसे हो सकते हैं? टाइम हो सकते हैं, बट दो डेट कैसे हो सकती है? So that's to avoid that type of situation, it make in zigzag, okay, in the Pacific Ocean, and as you know that it is in the Pacific Ocean. So these are the characters of meridians. Note down all points in your notebook. You can make pictures of Earth or globe